Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get an Archero 2 modded version with unlimited resources for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. So all you have to do is go to hexmods.com, find the Archero 2, press on it, press the download button. Now before it downloads, there is going to be a little verification you have to do, but it's so easy guys, and it's 100% for free. So let's just wait for this to load here as you can see, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just give it a second here as you can see. All right, so basically it's going to say like you need to install some apps. So complete 2 free apps or surveys to finish installing the mod. So there's going to be around 4 apps on the page. You only have to download 2 of them. I usually go for like Family Island. You have to reach level 15. I'm on an Android, so it's going to bring me to the Play Store, but if you're using an iPhone, it's going to bring you to the App Store. So just download 2 of the apps, complete the instructions. You can see this one says download, register, valid info. Download, install app, play 4 games for 5 minutes each. So it's pretty simple, but that's how to get the Archero 2 hack for your device right away. So I hope you guys enjoyed the channel, but yeah, this is super cool and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. It's super awesome and I haven't had any problems with it whatsoever. So yeah, if you guys are people that generally like Archero 2, then you're probably not interested in being poor anymore. So the Archero 2 hack has come to save the day, guys. So be sure to try it out. And yeah, just complete the verification. Should be all set. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you like Archero 2. This is super insane, guys. Whoa. So yeah, I'm not trying to be mean, but why do you play the normal game when you can install this modded version? So yeah, peace out.